Walking through the woods, you don't know who I am, but you can. I'm whatever you need me to be. Waiting for you to give me a chance and take a glance. You'd be surprised what you could see. I imagine there's a pit and that you fall in it. The only one to rescue you is me. Let me save your life, be a Swiss Army knife. Let me save your life, be your Swiss Army knife. We're at the carnival together, but I know better. You don't notice that I am here. You scream as the Ferris wheel stops. You're at the top. Is that excitement? Is it fear? Some small part of me's hoping that your door it won't open. You need a hero, a volunteer. So let me save your life, be your Swiss Army knife. Let me save your life, be your Swiss Army knife. Don't know that much about saving. I've never been that brave, and I only watch MacGyver on TV. I thought I'd take a bullet, but I have got a mullet. Maybe the hero could be me. We walk down the school hallway. I'm too scared to say anything at all to you. I fantasize something dire, like a raging fire or a breakout at the zoo. Even if I don't survive, better than being alive is hearing you say I'm the bravest guy you knew. So let me save your life, be a Swiss Army knife. Let me save your life, be your Swiss Army knife.